subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today's Thursday, May 29th, and in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow fell 0.58% at 42,098, the Dow. The Nasdaq closed down 0.5% at 19,100, the Nas. The S&P fell 0.56% at 5,888 as the market awaits Nvidia's earnings report. Nvidia beat earnings, and on that the stock is up 6% in the pre. Watch for big movements in the overall markets today. Apple bucking the trend. Apple rose 0.10% at $200.42. Apple, one of the big winners of the day. SPRO closed up 245% at $2.35. Higher day was $2.48, brand new, 52-week high. Volume turned up 180 million. Company came out with positive data on their phase 3 trial. Dave's play today is a SP play. This one's in and out, grab and go, one and move, hit and run. Do not overstay your welcome. HTCR is up 49% thus far in the pre. Currently trading at 87 cents at the recording of this video. Higher day thus far, 93 cents. This one retraced below 60 cents. This might be a no-go today. No news out, but I suspect bottom fishing. Stock closed near its 52-week low and buyers swooped in. The volume turned up 7 million yesterday. HTCR has spikeability. For example, January 2nd, the stock skyrocketed from $1.69 all the way to $3.38. Volume turned up 7.5 million. This one's in the software app space, and their headquarters out of Japan. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
We're a market cap of 13 million, 6 million in the float. 71% of the float are held by insiders. Let me repeat that. 71% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their monies where their mouth is. 3% of the float are held by institutions, and shorts has 0.1% of the float.
Shorts.
Their price per sales, 0.43. Their 50-day moving average, 67 cents. Their 200-day moving average is $1.05. HTCR, 29 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 1.36. 17 million in gross profit. 17 million. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, 7.25 million. Their ROA, return on assets, 26%. They have a total cash of $3 million in hand. They total debt of 3.94 million. Current ratio is sitting just below par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 0.91. Their leverage free cash flow is in the positive. Leverage free cash flow is a positive 5 million. HTCR. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly, and I'll see you when I see you. I'm out.
Hey, I thank you for watching Dave Natch. Boom, bam. Like, share, and subscribe.
I'm out.
When you follow your heart, you always win. I am who I am, who I'm not, I'll never be. That's my message. Go where you celebrate it, not where you tolerate it. Protecting your energy is not a crime. I've been giving y'all the game.
0.32% to settle at 15,580, the NAS. NVIDIA fell 2.85%, but in the pre-market, the stock is up 15% at $770.50 at the recording of this video. Company came out with earnings in the AH. Company smashed earnings. Breaking news. On the top line, on the bottom line. Moving forward, their projection for the first quarter beats analysts' estimate going forward. And on that, the stock is skyrocketing. NVIDIA doing great things again. The revenue came in at $22 billion for the quarter. Let me put some perspective on this, give you some bearing. How fast this company is growing. Just 2 years ago, 2022, for the whole year, company made $26 billion, and that's for the year. They made $22 billion in 1 quarter. Let that sink in for a bit. This company is growing faster than the speed of light.
Usain Bolt, look at the time, 9:58 world record.
Told you a year and a half ago or so, dollar cost average into this one. I would be excited to see what it does in 3 to 5 years. The NASDAQ futures is up over 2% in the pre. Should be an interesting day today. Let's continue. Apple rose 0.42% to settle at $182.32. Apple. Big winner yesterday was GBNH. The stock spiked 98% on the day to settle at 38 cents on no news in particular. The volume yesterday was 113 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 300K GBNH. Day's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go, one and move. Do not overstay your welcome. AGRX. The stock is up 121% in the pre-markets, trading at $2.20 at the recording of this video. There's no news out. We're just riding price action. The higher day thus far in the pre-markets, $2.96. This one we trace is below $1.66. This might be a no-go today. This one is in the healthcare space, and their headquarters out of New Jersey. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't